Welcome. In front of me is the Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application. So for me it's right over here. And from here you want to tap on these three bars, then select Manage Contacts and choose Import Export Contacts. And from here obviously you want to import them, so that's what I'm going to click on. It gives me a couple of places where I can import them from. So I have a phone or cloud storage and SIM card. Now there is a possibility to have a third one, I believe, from Google account or Samsung account, assuming you are logged into one of those. But I am not, so it only gives me these two. Anyway, I'm going to select SIM card, and this will show me all the contacts that are located on my SIM card. Now I can quickly select all of them by tapping right over here. Or I can select them manually by tapping on the contact itself. Could also select all of them and then deselect contacts that I might not want. So you have a couple of choices of selecting them, but once you have every contact that you want selected, click on Done. It will ask you where you want to import your contacts to. Again, as before, right now it only gives me phone, but if I were logged into something like a Google or Samsung account, this would be an option right here as well. Anyway, I'm gonna select phone and choose import, and this will just give me a message that I have successfully imported my contacts. So let's select OK. Go back and you should see all your contacts right over here. Now if you don't see them right away, if for instance you have an empty list or something like that, what you can do is just close this and then reopen your contacts, and they should be visible from there. But anyway, this is how you could import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.